Till now we have learned the theory part. Now I'll show you practical. Here this is very simple inverter circuit. I'm using a LED bulb. It is only 7 watt. You can see. I'll show you one by one. It is 7 watt LED bulb. I'm not using a holder because of transparency, so that you can learn better. I'm only these two pins already soldered here, and see the transformer. It is 4 ampere 12012 transformer, and this is the main PCB. The circuit diagram you have already learned, and now you can see this circuit board. Let me tell you the function of this board. Here using two MOSFET transistor, one is IRF 530. See, these two transistors is the main component here, and this is the IC, this is the pulse generator, and you can adjust the pulse through the preset. I'm getting the pulse from this IC, and after that it's giving the trigger to this MOSFET, and after that MOSFET is giving the output to the transformer, and it's generating the pulse. See here, three component is the main, and I forgot to tell you the number of this IC. It is 4047. It is 4047. I repeat, and the MOSFET of the two MOSFET I'm using here, the number of this MOSFET is IRF 530. Here I want to mention one thing. You please be alert when you are connecting the transformer connection, because if you connect any wrong pin, then it will damage your circuit. I'll show you the transistor number. It is ACC company, and it is IRF 530. Both are same transistor. It is IRF 530. Now I'll show you the number of IC. You can see it is 4047. It is a pulse generator. Now I will give 12 volt input, that means the source voltage, and after that it will produce the AC current. As the input I am giving using a 12 volt battery. It's car battery. I've kept it from the bike. It's 7 ampere battery, and first one is the positive terminal. I'm connecting here, and my left side this is the positive terminal, and right side it is negative. I'll show you once again. Let me show you. See, this is the positive terminal. I'll connect it here. I'm not using any clip or any soldering or any connector, so that you can learn better. In many projects you have seen that it is already fixed or it is already connected through some pin or other. So many viewer they are writing many comments. Someone writing fake, someone writing it is not possible. So it is a very simple, and to maintain transparency I'm not using any connector and even a AC holder. It's simply I'm just connecting it here, so that you can learn and you can make it in your home. See, it is connected, and now this lighting is glowing. It is 7 watt LED bulb. I'll connect it. I'm using a red LED light, so that if I'm giving this input power, it will show you that the input is available. I'll show you again. I'm showing here without clip, but whenever you are using, you always use a clip or some connector so that you can fix it properly. This light will glow, and this is not, it will not consume much power because I'm using only 7 watt LED bulb. So at least 3 to 4 hours you can lit up, and it is very easy to make in your home. And in many